This Real Estate Central, LLC property video is presented by Tammy Doss. Make this unique home your own. Stone home featuring black walnut planking throughout. All bedrooms on main level with 2 fireplaces. Lower level offers fireplace, half bath and laundry area. Tankless hot water heater. Home has been well kept. All original features with tons of space inside and out. Land borders Coal River, however no direct access from home. Do you have that keen way of seeing ahead and love to use your own thoughts and skills to make a home your own? For more information, review the details below or contact Tammy Doss at 304-550-3708.